Hi, I'm Gloriana, and today we're going to show you how to wet mop a floor. Keeping our facilities clean not only makes them look better, but also discourages insects from living in them. Mopping is an essential part of the cleaning process, so let's get started. The first thing we will do is gather the required equipment. We will need a mop that is clean, a clean mop bucket and wringer, and wet floor signs. You may also need a scratch pad or brush depending on the area to be cleaned. First, we will fill the bucket until it is about half full with the dispensed floor soap. Make sure the soap level is below the bottom of the wringer or you will not be able to properly wring your mop. This product should never be diluted or have any chemicals added. The temperature and mixture have been set by your vendor for maximum performance. Now we will head out to the area to be mopped. For our demonstration, we will assume the area to be mopped has been swept thoroughly. We will place wet floor signs at the points of access to the area we will be mopping. This first step will be very important as slips and falls account for a large percentage of workplace injuries. Once the signs are in place, we are ready to begin mopping. Dip the mop in cleaning solution a few times so that the mop is full. Partially wring out the mop so that there is enough cleaning solution in the mop to get the floor thoroughly wet, but without creating puddles. Start at one end of the area. Glide the mop back and forth in a sweeping motion. Remember, mop only half of the area at a time, leaving coworkers a dry area to walk through. Spread the cleaning solution and allow it to stand for a short time of about 3 to 5 minutes to loosen the dirt and grease. Wherever possible, move carts and equipment to clean the floor underneath and behind them. You should also mop the baseboards as a part of the process. When you come to tough food stains or heavily soiled areas, you may need to scrub the floor with a scratch pad or a brush. Stay in the area while there is standing solution on the floor so you may warn any coworkers or customers who may not see the warning signs. To pick up the cleaning solution with the mop, wring the mop out in the same bucket. Use the same sweeping motion used to lay down the solution to pick it back up. You should be backing away from the area as you mop. At the end of each stroke, flip the mop over so that the other side of the mop head is on the floor. Pause to re-rinse and wring your mop after every 3 to 4 strokes. This will increase the amount of dirt that will be removed from the floor. You will need to empty and refill your mop bucket with new cleaning solution whenever it becomes dirty. If you can't see the mop under the surface, you need to change and refill your mop water. Once the half of the area you mopped is dry, you will repeat the entire process for the remainder of the area. Okay, we are done with the actual mopping, but we still need to do a couple of things. First, once the floor is dry, you will remove the signs and store them into the proper location for your unit. Next, we will thoroughly rinse the mop head and bucket with hot water. The mop should be hung up to dry and the bucket and wringer should be stored in the appropriate area for your unit. That's it. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you have any questions, ask your supervisor.